Hi everyone, I'm Lara, Director of Artistry for Lancôme Australia. Today I'm going to show you how to achieve a bold summer lip that's long lasting. So step one is I like to prepare the lip. I'm going to use a little bit of the advanced genifique on the lip first. I find it helps to plump and hydrate, but it also then helps to actually adhere any of the product that we put on top. So I'm going to put a little bit on the back of my hand and then just gently tap a little bit of the genifique on the lip. Next step when I'm creating a bold lip is I like to always start with a lip liner, and to ensure the lip is super long wearing I like to outline the contours of the lips but also colour in the lip as well. I'm using the lip liner in shade 172, which is a beautiful bright red coral. And when I'm doing the lipstick I always like my customer or my model to just bite their lip like this, and then I can directly draw, so I'll just get you to bite your lips together like that. I can directly draw under the natural contour of the lip, which then when the lip's sitting normal, it actually helps to achieve a fuller looking lip. Okay, so now that I've completed the lip liner, I'm going to jump in and use the L'Absolu Rouge Drama Matte. I'm actually using a limited edition shade, which is really beautiful. It's shade 157 Obsessive Red, and it's a beautiful fresh coral colour. Now these are extremely matte. They have nourishing oils and they also have Proxylane. So the Proxylane is great for plumping the lip and also helping to achieve a nice cupid's bow and maintaining the shape there. So I always like to apply the lipstick with a little bit of a small brush, and I'm going to use the other end of the lip liner. So I'm going to go directly on the lipstick and then go straight onto the lip, so it helps with achieving a nice precise lip.